Hello, tech enthusiasts. This is TouchSuite, merchant and payment processing and POS systems. Are you ready to dive into the world of how to set up a payment gateway with the help of a step-by-step guide? In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries behind payment gateways, explore the intricate process of setting one up, and discuss essential tips for a seamless online transaction experience. Before we jump into the content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Your support fuels our passion for creating informative content. Now, let's get started. 1. Understanding what is a payment gateway. Before delving into the setup process, let's clarify the fundamental question. What is a payment gateway? In essence, a payment gateway is a technology that facilitates the secure transfer of customer payment data from your website to the payment processor. It acts as the virtual bridge connecting your online store and the financial institutions involved in the transaction. 2. How does a payment gateway work? To set up a payment gateway successfully, it's crucial to comprehend how it operates. When a customer makes a purchase on your website, the payment gateway encrypts the payment information and sends it to the payment processor for authorization. This seamless process ensures the security of sensitive data and facilitates quick and efficient transactions. 3. Choosing the right payment gateway for your business. Selecting the appropriate payment gateway is a critical decision for any business. Consider factors such as transaction fees, security measures, and compatibility with your e-commerce platform. Whether you're involved in payment gateway setups or exploring options for ClickFunnels, tailor your choice to meet the unique needs of your business model. 4. Navigating high-risk credit card processing. For businesses labeled as high-risk, setting up a payment gateway involves additional considerations. Understand the intricacies of high-risk credit card processing, ensuring compliance with industry regulations and safeguarding against potential challenges. Look for payment gateways that specialize in serving high-risk merchants to streamline your setup process. 5. Researching the best payment processing companies. Research is key when identifying the best payment processing companies for your business. Compare transaction fees, user reviews, and available features to make an informed decision. A reliable payment processor is vital for a seamless customer experience and can contribute significantly to the success of your online venture. Demystifying merchant account fees. As you embark on setting up a payment gateway, it's essential to demystify merchant account fees. Understand the various costs associated with your chosen payment processor, including transaction fees, chargeback fees, and monthly service fees. Transparent knowledge of these fees ensures that your business remains financially sound throughout its digital transactions. 7. Optimizing merchant services sales. Beyond the initial setup, optimizing your merchant services sales is an ongoing process. Leverage the features provided by your chosen payment gateway to enhance the customer experience, streamline transactions, and gain insights into your sales performance. Regularly review and adjust your payment gateway settings to align with the evolving needs of your business. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. For comprehensive merchant and payment processing solutions, head over to TouchSuite's website. There, you'll find a wide range of point-of-sale systems and services tailored to elevate your business. Until next time, happy transacting, and goodbye.